dear students. How are you today? We are going to look at dominant seventh. Dominant seventh chord in music. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain how dominant seventh is built, state the harmonic function of dominant seventh, and identify the dominant seventh chords in a given piece. How dominant seventh is built. Dominant seventh chords are the most important chord or features in music. You can find them in many styles of music, especially in blues and jazz music. A dominant seventh chord is built from the fifth degree of a scale, which is the dominant. This means that a dominant seventh chord is built with the root, the third, the fifth, and the minor seventh. That's from the root. You have the root, the third, the fifth, then there's another third that will be added to this, and if you look at it from the root, it's going to give you what? Minor seventh. That's from the roots to this place. It's going to give you minor seventh. And from the fifth to that place, it's going to give you a third to the fifth. Okay? Then harmonic function. Harmonic function defines the relationship between chords of a given key. Dominant chord produces instability and tension, which tends to resolve to the tonic chord. We're talking about dominant seventh chord here. There is a kind of stability that is produced when it is sounded on any instrument, and you need to resolve it. And most often, you normally resolve it into chord 1, which is do mi so. Alright, let's look at example that will help us to be able to understand this better. Using the key of C major, and we're trying to look for the dominant seventh. Like we said earlier on, it has to do with dominant chord. And for the key of C, the dominant note for C is G. The dominant note for C is G. And if you look at the chord that I've written here, start with G, then we have B, we have D. So for you to get your seventh chord from here now, you need to add a third to it. And that's what we have here. That gives us F. So G, B, D, F will give us what? G, B, D, F will give us So, Ti, Re, Fa. That's on C major. So every So, Ti, Re, Fa on C major is dominant seventh. Okay, let's look at another key. Using the key of F major. If you look at F major, you know F major, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. We have B flat here, then this is going to be Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do. Here we have C, E, G, and B. Mind you, this is not B, it's B flat. It has been flattened here. So now this is going to give us what? So, Ti, then Re, Fa. That is using the key of F major. You can see, so once you see anything like this on any key, So, Ti, Re, Fa is going to be your dominant seventh. I hope you understand it. So if you are asked to identify any dominant seventh in any piece, I believe this is going to be very easy for you to do. So more of this will be given to you in the Google Classroom. So have a nice day. Thank you for listening.